Okay, here's a look at the 1971 Corvette. Just picked it up in Georgia. I think we're going to add it to the family. Going to have to name it, give it to one of the kids, it looks like. Remove the seats. Interior was pretty original. Car overall is pretty original. Nevada silver, small block, two-top convertible. Bumped in the front. Does have its original engine. You can see the damage on the left front headlight. Headlight door was ripped off. The hood was damaged. The hood's been changed, but other than the hood, I can't find anything else in one seat and the hood. Of course, there's some goofy stuff with the fuel line. Radiator was changed once. But overall, this is what it looks like. Not too bad. Solid frame, 4-speed car. Don't see too many 4-speed convertibles projects come up cheap enough for me, but this particular car was able to manage to wheel a deal on it. Does have a salvage title. It's rebuildable, so I'm going to go through the rebuilding process and make it just a nice little daily driver.